Hi, my name's Erica and I'm at the Dover Branch YMCA, and what I'm going to show you today is how to use our multi-press machine. So being multi-press, it's going to do two different types of exercises for you. The position that it's in right now is for a chest press. So a couple things I want to point out to you first and foremost. If you see this color yellow, or if you want to consider it orange, that means it's adjustable. So you have something that can be adjusted here, you can adjust it down there, and you can adjust it over here. Okay, so in order to change the seat, that's where you would pull this lever and adjust it up or down. So what I'm gonna do is pull that out, and then I can push the seat all the way up. Okay, so now this is in a good position to do a shoulder press. So let me show you how we do that. Have a seat on the bench. And what I always like to tell everybody, if there's a pad, you need to be in contact with it. So you need to have your back up against this pad. You're seated here, your feet are nice and flat on the floor. So a starting position for a chest press, or a shoulder press, excuse me, would be right here, but this is a little too low, okay? So I need to raise the handle. That's where this comes into play. I raise it to an acceptable level, right about shoulder level here, and then what I'm ready to do is to do a shoulder press. So check your weight stack before you start pushing weight. So I have about 20 pounds on here right now. If I wanted to change it, I pull the pin and I can go below it or above it. So I'm gonna put this pin in 10 pounds. This little button up here is to add more weight to it without hitting 10 pounds. So this gives me about a 5-pound difference. So I'm gonna leave that out. If I wanted the 5 pounds in, I would press this in, and then there you go. So I'm gonna get ready to do it, and I have options, handles here, or handles here, okay? I'm gonna put my hands here. I'm gonna inhale, exhale. I'm gonna inhale the second time. And as I exhale the second time, I'm not fully extending my arms for a lockout. I'm keeping my elbows soft. I'm gonna inhale as I bring it back down right before those weights hit. Exhaling as I go up. Inhaling as I come back down. So you want to do about 8 to 10 repetitions of that, maybe 8 to 12 depending on your activity level, and you could do about 3 sets of that, and that is your multi-press for shoulders. I'm going to show you a chest press next. We're going to adjust this bench. So what I'm going to do is pull these handlebars down so they're not in my way. I'm going to push this down. I'm gonna slide this all the way down to its flattest position and make sure that it's snapped in. Now I can press. Feet are flat on the floor. I'm making contact with the bench. I'm gonna put my hands either here or here. Now, you can see that that seems a little bit difficult, so we need to raise this. Squeeze it, bring it to the next level, snap it in. This is an acceptable level, where I have enough underneath it to push. So, check my weight. I think it's acceptable. Same thing, inhale, exhale, second inhale, second exhale. Not locking out the elbows and bringing it back down as I inhale. And press. And bringing it back down nice and gentle. Okay, same thing, 8 to 10 repetitions, or depending on your activity level, 8 to 12 would be an acceptable range for you. 2 to 3 sets, and then there you go, chest press.